This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Okay, we're in the Tesla. We're on our test drive, and I got it set on autopilot. And this thing is something else. It's speeding up and slowing down if there's a car ahead of us. It's steering for me. I just barely got my fingertips on the steering wheel, and the car is staying in the lane. I can feel the. See, all right, here we go. We're in the turn. Look at that. The car's turning for me. I'm just barely got my hands on the steering wheel. If at any time I need to take over control, I can take over control like that. Now I got control again. Or I can tap this twice, or I can step on the brake. So it's off on autopilot right now. This car, I can see how it would help you on a long trip.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future.
Yeah, I don't know what we're going to call it. When I put my foot on the pedal, I'm not giving it the gas, but I'm giving it the juice. I'm giving it the DC. I'm giving it the electrons. I'm giving it the battery power. I don't know what to call it. And here I'm going to take my foot off, and the car's going to stop by itself. Now I've got my foot on the gas a little bit, and there we go. The car just stopped by itself without me putting on the brakes at all. That's why brakes on Teslas last as long as they do. You don't have to use it. The engine, the electric engine slows you down for you.
Oh yeah!
We are not alone. There's more to life than this. Show me what you know. Take me to that place. I'm stuck within these walls. I need a quick escape. You know where I can go. Take me to that place.